Hello everyone, welcome to Pacans.com. Today I'm going to teach you English of ninth class. Lesson number 14, bees. Please turn to page number 34. Some insects live in groups or colonies. Ants live like this, and so do some wasps. Insects that live and work together are called social insects, and some of the best known social insects is the honeybee. There are different kinds of bees. Honeybees have been kept by man for hundreds of years to get honey. These insects are kept in a specially made wooden box called a hive. In a hive of bees, there are a queen, some drones, and thousands of workers. The queen is there only to lay eggs and to do nothing else. At certain times, she may lay up to 1,500 eggs every day. The drones are male bees and they do not work at all. All the tasks of the hive are done by the worker bees. They look after the queen and each new larva that hatches out of the eggs. They make layers of 6-sided compartments called cells. The eggs are laid and food is stored in these cells. They keep the hive cool in summer by fanning with their wings. They guard the hive so that no robber bees can get in. They also gather food. In summer, there is so much work for the bees to do that they only live for 4 to 5 weeks. The bees that start their lives in the autumn do not have to work so hard and usually live right through the winter. Have you ever watched bees gathering food? They fly from flower to flower to collect a nectar which is sweet and sugary fluid. They also collect pollen. Some nectar and pollen are used for food, but it is the nectar that the bees turn into honey. Some bees collect nectar from sunflowers, while others go to buttercups. The bee sucks the nectar into a special honey stomach. The pollen is picked up on the hairs of the body as it scrambles into the flower. It is then scraped off into a pollen basket on the outside of each back leg. On reaching back in the hive, they store food in the cells. Some food is consumed at once. The rest is stored for winter when there are no more flowers. To collect all the food that is needed, the bees fly around looking for new bunches of flowers. If they find some, they return to the hive and tell other worker bees where the new supply of food can be found. They dance to tell others if food is found. The dances are special movements that the bees make. From these movements, other bees are able to learn how long it takes to fly from the hive to other flowers. When the eggs that the queen has laid in the cells hatch, each larva is fed on a special brood food, sometimes called the royal jelly, made by the worker bees. If a new queen is wanted, a larva is fed all the time on this brood food. After 3 days, after stop having brood food and given pollen and honey instead, they grow into worker bees. When a new queen comes out of the cell, she flies off one day and then returns to the hive to start egg laying. At the end of the summer, the drones that are still in the hive are turned out to die in the cold. Thank you.